Okay, if you have a pair of AirPods, and it doesn't matter if it's a Max or a Pro or what generation that you have, and you're listening to music and they keep dropping, or you're on a phone call and it keeps dropping the music or the phone call, I'm here to help you fix it. Now, you need to make sure that they are fully charged. So if the battery's getting low, that will make it stop connecting. So if they're older and you've used them a while, remember it'll take a lot longer to charge them. So you might need to make sure that you're charging them a lot more frequently. And when you're not using them, definitely keep them in the case and then hook up the USB-C to it and make sure that they continue to get charged. And also make sure that there's nothing faulty with the charger or the case itself. So make sure that you look into the settings on your iPhone and make sure that they're both, when you're fully charged, make sure they're both at 100. If they're not, if they're both low, you may think that you're charging them and you're actually not. So check the cord and make sure that they're getting a flush connection. You can clean them with rubbing alcohol, 70 or 90% rubbing alcohol. You can actually clean with a Q-tip or a cotton swab. You can actually clean the ends of them, and you can actually clean the little terminal below there. Make sure that it's dry, and see if you have fewer drop calls or music being dropped. Another thing you could do is turn the Bluetooth off and back on your iPhone or even your Android or your PC computer or your MacBook. You just go to settings, tap Bluetooth, turn Bluetooth off, wait about 10 seconds, turn Bluetooth back on, and then reconnect your iPods. One thing you could do is you can toggle it on and off in your iPhone, and that sometimes will help. Another thing you can do is forget and reconnect your iPods. So that's pretty easy to do. The only thing you have to do is on your iPhone, go to settings, tap Bluetooth, tap the little icon next to AirPods, tap forget this device, confirm, and then repair them again. Of course, to repair them, you just basically put them back in and then click this little button here on the back, and it should be blinking white when it's looking to pair, or you might have to hold it down, the button on the back, and pair it back up, and then see if that will help you. Another thing you can do is just restart the device, whether if you have a PC or an iPhone or an Android phone. Just restarting the phone a lot of times will fix the issue. To move, you need to move closer to the device. So if you're with your iPhone, maybe it's in another room. Make sure your iPhone's always near you if you're using the phone or the PC. Next thing is to reduce wireless interference. So let's say you're near a Wi-Fi router or something else that could be, or another Bluetooth speaker that's nearby, or another iPhone or another phone. A lot of times that can hurt with the interference. Another thing is a case. So if you have a phone case on and it's brand new, maybe remove the case, and you might find that the case is interfering with your Bluetooth connecting to your music, and that's why it keeps shutting down or turning off. Turn off automatic ear detection test. That's simple to do. Just go to settings, go to Bluetooth, tap the eye next to AirPods, turn automatic ear detection off, and listen for several minutes to see if the disconnect stops. Another thing you can do is update your iPhone or your device, whether that's a PC or whatever. So for example, with PC, you just go into settings and just type in update and see if there's any more Windows updates. The iPhone is fairly simple to do updates, and then Android. So do an update and then restart the phone or the PC and see if that will fix. And then finally, last but not least, is to do a full factory reset on it. In order to do that, make sure your earpods are in, and what you want to do is you're going to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds and you don't let go, and eventually this will turn orange after 30 seconds, and then you'll need to repair it with your iPhone or whatever device that you're using, and you might find that will stop the phone calls or the music from disconnecting. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.